What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. My name is Tlakingadi. So guys, I have a very quick unboxing for you. I have two items from Louis Vuitton and I actually got both these items over a month ago and I just forgot to do like a quick unboxing to show you guys what I got. One of the items I have already started wearing, like I've been wearing it a lot. So one item comes in this little box and then we have this one as well. Let me quickly show you guys. Okay, so this is basically not a true unboxing, right? Because like I said, this item, I mean, we've been abusing it. So guys, I got myself a Louis Vuitton scarf. Look at this, guys. I think I wanted this scarf for so long, but I just kept thinking, do I really want, like, you know, do I really want to buy a scarf from Louis Vuitton? Like, you know, what if, you know, it just gets easily ruined, you know? So eventually I just went in store and I asked to see basically, you know, all the scarves that they have. So this is like a two-tone scarf. I'm not sure if you guys can see. So this is basically a two-toned. I like this, you know, it's like a two-in-one. It's like a reversible scarf. So you can wear it this way or you can wear this side. Let me show you guys. So this is how I've been obviously just, you know, styling it. This is just, you know, a scarf. Like, you know, you style a scarf like this, right? Just throw it on and throw on a coat. It's quite long. It is very long. You can literally wear this, like, you know, as a sarong as well. That is why actually I like it so much. Do you see how long this is? Like, it's quite huge. It is very, like, it is quite big. And you can also just, you know, wear it like, you know, at the beach in summer when the bodies allows us to wear bikinis. So you can actually just, you know, wear it as a sarong on top of a bikini. Do you see? Can you guys see? It is so stunning. I like it so much. It is super long, guys. It is so long. And you can also wear it as a top. The reason why I got this scarf is because, you know, I just thought of so many different ways on how I'm going to style it. I love versatility in items. Like, I love versatile, you know, items. Okay, this will not work. Let me try it the other way. Okay, so you can maybe also do something like this, you know, when you're wearing, like, you know, palazzo trousers, palazzo pants, and you can wear this like this as well. I'm just giving you guys an idea. You've seen people wear, like, you know, palazzo pants with, like, you know, scarves, just, you know, draping their boobs, just around the boob area. I think you'd have to obviously tie it very well, like, you know, tie it nicely. You'd have to, like, literally tie it nicely. So you can also do, like, you know, something like this in the summertime with, you know, just beautiful palazzo pants. I think this can be a look. So basically 3 ways on how to style this. You can wear it like this, like I said. You can wear it around your neck. You can also just wear it, you know, at the beach, on top of a bikini. You can wear it as a sarong. Or, and lastly, actually, it's 4 ways. So you can actually also do something like this. So you can also just wear it as a top and, you know, belt it up. Guys, what do you think of this? Do you see the versatility in this scarf? There's so many ways that you can actually style this. So they have, like, you know, a variety of these scarves. There's, like, you know, different colors. There's also, like, you know, the two-tone, like I said, there's a variety of the two-tone scarves. There's, you know, the dark brown. So they have a scarf. They have one that has, that comes in, like, you know, dark brown and then light beige on the other side. And they also have, like, you know, the super winter warm scarves, and those are very expensive. So this, I believe, was around, like, you know, 8.2 VAT inclusive, obviously. I will have to just confirm for you guys. It was, I believe, 8.2. Let me just check. Oh, actually, it's 8.2 without VAT, and with VAT, it comes to 9.4. It's crazy, I know, it's crazy. I will also just leave the details in the description bar as well. So guys, yeah, I like this. And honestly, for me, it justifies the price. I've been wearing this scarf, guys. Like, I haven't washed it yet because it's been on me. The other day, I went to the traffic department. I threw this on when I run errands, when I go to them, because it's been quite cold. Like, it's been very cold in Joburg. So this is always on me. So definitely I am 100% getting my cost per wear. I know it's a little ridiculous, the price is a little too much, but guys, I've wanted this for so long, and I'm that sort of person, like, I don't buy things on impulse. Like, I'm constantly thinking through all my purchases, and I've wanted to buy this stuff, guys, for almost over a year, and I know the prices obviously keep going up, and so I decided, you know what, actually, let me just, pull the trigger and buy it. Like, what do I have to lose? So guys, what do we think? Do we like it? Please comment below. So the second item comes in this box. This is similar to an item that I already have. You will get to see it, guys. So this is just basically like, a cute dust bag. I know. You're probably asking yourself, you have the toiletry 26 already. So this is the toiletry pouch 19, and the reason why I got this item, guys, is because apparently rumor has it that Louis Vuitton is discontinuing all the toiletry pouches, and people are saying it's because of the Louis Vuitton cousin bag. Guys, the Louis Vuitton cousin bag, I saw it in store and it looks exactly like the Louis Vuitton the toiletry pouch 26.
I'll hold it back, and then we'll...
It literally looks like the toiletry pouch. With
I
like
think it's
just three slots.
Like a more luxurious...
version of the toiletry pouch. Oh my gosh.
Much more luxurious.
But I can understand why they actually discontinue the toiletry pouches. The only difference is, it has like, 3 compartment slots. So there's like, 3 slots or compartments that you can actually put your things in. But it has this little, tag here. It looks, honestly, in my opinion, it looks exactly like, the Louis Vuitton pouch. So if somebody were to say, which one should I actually get? Should I get the cousin bag, which actually retails for 60,000? In South Africa, that bag sells for 60,000, 59, the same as 60,000. 60,000, guys. It retails for 60,000, or should I get a toiletry pouch that retails for 8K? I would say get the toiletry pouch, get a bag organizer, get a chain, and you've got like basically a full bag. So people say that, they discontinued this because of the, the cousin bag. So they want the cousin bag to be basically like, the new Louis Vuitton popular bag. And they're not really selling many of their cousin bags because people are buying, the toiletry bags and turning them into bags because we wear them with, chain straps now. We get, bag organizers and, we put chain straps on them. Not sure if that is entirely true. Only Louis Vuitton team would know that. I'm just going to show you the comparison here. This is like, my baby. I use this all the time. Like when I run errands, I'm forever using this. Usually when I carry like, my big bags, I would, stuff all my things in here and throw it inside the big bag. So honestly, when I saw this one, when I realized that, the Centum branch had, the toiletry 19, I knew, I was just going to buy it. Like, look at that. So this is basically the size difference. Do you see? This is size 26 and this is the size 19. And guys, there is really, the price difference is like, around 600. So there is just around 600 rands price difference between these two items here. And guys, so yeah. So this is basically the second item that I got, and there's another mini one, which is the toiletry pouch 15. I don't think I'm going to get that one. I actually don't even want it, especially seeing that I already have like, the mini pochette, which I use all the time. It's basically a similar size, if not the same size. So I'm happy with these two items here. This can easily fit in my smaller bags, whereas this one actually, fits in my big bags. So I usually just throw this one, like I said, in my big bags, and this one will definitely be going in my smaller bags. So guys, there you have it. Those are my purchases. Let me know what you think of both two items, you know, the Louis Vuitton scarf and the toiletry pouch 19. Would you buy both items, or if you had to choose between the two items, which one would you go for? Please do comment below. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, show me some love, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you share my videos with your family and friends, and also get them to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!